Guys, so has my all my information on here. So all my shipment arrived. My details by Tati. I'm so happy that she's back creating product. I use her text neutrals all the time. I've been like waiting, stalking my shop app all day for this to show up. So it just arrived. So let's dive in and see what I ordered. I ordered all 3 sets. Hopefully they're all here. My handy dandy box cutter here. Be careful. So taped it pretty well. Tape it better than some of my stuff comes in at work. Okay, the package is really stunning. I got the texture neutrals one still. This is gonna go up there right with it. So I ordered all 3 sets. So you get 3 little collectors cards in it. So from the photo shoot, it's kind of giving like the retro 1989 tears, so we get the collector's items in it. And then the care info, the paper, and then I ordered 3 sets. The specialty, the expansion, and then the essentials. So those are all the details in the back. So like it's cool. Like it has all the cool UPC numbers and all that stuff. Yeah. So I gotta do part 2 of me going into the collection. I'm so excited to get these in my hand finally.